Today we're doing a deep dive on Apricot Solar and explaining why I think Apricot Solar is living in the future, in industry and a business that I find to be very successful and on its way to doing big things. You see, today in 2024, solar energy is one of the greatest business models you can be in because you're living on the edge. You're hedging for the future. You're hedging for what tomorrow will bring. You're waiting downstream for the wealth to come to you, the savings, the energy. Whether you're an investor or whether you're a customer, it makes sense to go solar. Going solar means that you have opportunity to live in the future. It means that your homes are going to save more money. You're not going to have to spend as much money on your energy bills every month. You're going to save yourself some money. It's a pretty good deal. If you want to be great, if you want to have a good life, if you want to have a life of quality and ease, if you don't want to struggle, then you have to take risks and live in the future. And that's why solar energy is the solution. Apricot Solar is one of the only businesses that I've found that is truly doing the job right, and they're doing it well. What I like about Apricot Solar is that they believe that everybody should be able to control their own future. They believe that everybody should be able to control their own destiny. They want their clients and their investors to be invested in not just their product, but more so, it's about who they are, about what they're doing, who they're serving. And at the end of the day, it's you. You are the most important piece of the puzzle. You see, for Apricot Solar, they're looking for motivated and dedicated entrepreneurs like you and I who are looking to get to that next level, and using solar energy to do that is one of the greatest ways people can do that. There's nothing more powerful than the sun.
The power of the sun in the palm of my hand.
Apricot Solar is dedicated to providing services that are not just more valuable, that are not just more powerful, solutions that align with your budget. Apricot Solar makes their services accessible to all, and that's another reason I like the business. See, if you're going to be a business, you need to make sure that your services are accessible to everyone. You need to have a broad audience of people who can come in from every walk of life and say, I want that thing, and then they can buy it. What's more important than materialistic things is your time, is freedom. Health, wealth, love, happiness, freedom, and time. With absolutely zero upfront costs, you have the opportunity to invest in the future. You have the opportunity to invest in a better world, a world where your roof is your power station, a world where your solution to the future are the panels in your backyard. Let's be honest, with zero upfront costs and the ability to save on your energy bills and to reduce your energy bills even, and to increase your home's value, it's a pretty good deal. But the benefits don't stop at savings. You see, the government incentivizes solar. Ladies and gentlemen, at the end of the day, investing in solar means that you're investing in the future. Guess what? By 2050, everybody's going to have solar. Everybody's going to have some kind of solar panels. Right now is the best time to get in on it, or you're going to miss out. You're going to have FOMO. So at the end of the day, you need to think about your future. You need to think about what this can do for your life, how this can benefit everything you're trying to accomplish for your goals, your dreams, your visions. You need to think about your life today, where you're at and where you'd like to be, and what that life looks like. I would bet that the future you intend to have involves one where you are living on the edge, where you are living for the future, where you are invested in the future, where you're interested in what's tomorrow. Look, as much as history is important, and as much as you need history in order to predict the future, it's also important to think about tomorrow and what's coming. So if you really care about your future, if you really care about what your life could become, and doing something you love, which is investing in the future, sustainable energy, sustainable living, renewable energy, then this is the solution for you. But you've got to be quick, but you've got to be fast. The future waits for no one, and we already know that. Invest in yourself. Invest in a good life. Give yourself a break. Give yourself a chance. Whether you're looking to invest in the future, whether you're looking to cut energy costs, whether you're looking to be incentivized by the government to live for a better future, sign up with Apricot Solar. Another reason you should invest in Apricot Solar, they're going to install the services for you, okay? I want the installation taken care of for me, personally, if I'm going to invest in solar. Apricot Solar already takes care of all of that for you. You don't have to do a thing, not a single thing. You can sit back, relax, watch The Simpsons. Apricot Solar handles everything from design to installation. So if you ask me, why not invest in an agency or a company who's willing to do that for you? B2B Growth Today, LLC, ladies and gentlemen. Be sure to invest in our marketing services if you want us to help your business. And if anything happens to your solar panels, should there be a natural disaster of some sort, hurricanes, earthquakes, tornadoes, whatever it might be, Apricot Solar offers a 25-year warranty guarantee for its clients and customers. And not just that, ladies and gentlemen, you also have a 25-year production guarantee. So if Apricot Solar messes up during their production process, if something happens, you again get covered. With Apricot Solar's 25-year production guarantee, if they mess up on their end in the production process with your solar energy bills, if you end up overpaying, whatever it might be, you are covered for 25 years. You have a 25-year production guarantee. You see, taking care of your clients is important, and to Apricot Solar, it's even more important, and that's why you need to sign up. Join the solar revolution today, ladies and gentlemen. You have an opportunity. I invite you to change the world. I invite you to the future. Join us and join Apricot Solar as we take off to the next dimension, to the next levels of humanity. Because we know that you and the people who invest in Apricot Solar, they believe in something more, something bigger, something greater than themselves. And at the end of the day, what's greater than the very planet that you and I live on together? What's wrong with keeping a future where you can renew your energy, where energy can be restored? If you're interested in Apricot Solar, be sure to visit their website. They have a ton of Google reviews. They're already verified. Me, myself, as a police officer, a serial entrepreneur, an investor, I'm an author of Beyond the Beat, How I Made My Door My Office, both the books on Amazon and Barnes & Noble. Sorry, free plug. And also a marketing agency CEO. 2 agencies. I can tell you what hard work entails. With B2B growth today, your American dream is our dream. And as a marketing agency CEO myself, I can for one tell you that these are trustworthy reviews, trustworthy testimonials that you see on the websites for Apricot Solar. It's good business, and they got good business owners running it. So at the end of the day, you need to invest in not just any solar business that you like or is the best per se, but you should invest in a solar energy company that puts in the work and also allows for their clients an affordable future, one where they don't have to suffer, one where they can have a life of ease, not one that brings you to your knees. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching another episode of the Brandon Ecker Influence Show. As I stated before, I only promote and I only talk about products and services that I believe in. I've always been a big fan of solar energy. I believe in a sustainable future. I believe in renewable energy. Now, at the end of the day, yes, things are never perfect, but at the end of the day, the imperfections are what make humanity perfect. It's the little things about life that make life worth living for. And that's why you need to take a risk. That's why you can't be afraid to do big things in life. And this is a big thing. Investing in your future, in humanity's future, my future, your children's future, your grandchildren's future. It starts with solar energy. It starts with Apricot Solar. And be sure to visit the website, book a call, leave a testimonial, and do anything you can to support this cause, because at the end of the day, this is for you. At the end of the day, this is what betters your life. This is what puts you at the top. Ladies and gentlemen, be sure to subscribe, like this video, share it for other entrepreneurs who want the same services, who want the same outcome. Get on the trends, be smart, don't miss out. I got nothing else. Stay prudent, stay powerful, stay wealthy, and invest in your future.